What's up, guys? I've been asking you guys to hit me up so I can review your car, and I actually haven't done my car, not really review, but just show you guys the ins and out and show you all around it. You know, I guess I'll do that right now. Stick around. Which most of you probably knew. ESR Wheels. It's been converted to Aero rear windows, 87 up rear windows. It's got an 85 wing, 87 up tail lights that have been tinted, 3-inch tailpipes, Flowmasters. It's got Hooker Max Flow mufflers on it. And I'll show you guys the interior right now. Rear windshield wiper. I've seen two, including this one, the whole time I've been looking at Mustangs, but I don't know how many of you guys have seen. So here's the inside. As you know, I put a cage in it this winter. Wolf Racecraft cage. Got some nitrous on there. As you can see, we have 4 bucket seats and 2 consoles. Grant steering wheel, just some odometer gauges. Pro car seats. We'll walk around this other side, let you guys check out my boot I made for my I've run a C4 transmission with a B&M Z-gate shifter. But I never could get it to look right in the console, so I ended up making my own boot where the T-handle still works. Got a switch in there for my nitrous. See where I re-dyed all the interior. It's got some water spots in it from I wonder if I drove in the rain or last time I washed it or something. But I like polished aluminum, but it is a pain to keep clean, especially in the engine bay. It is a 395 cubic inch Windsor with my green block that drives my engine guy crazy. It's got trick flow heads on it that have been ported, a custom solid lift cam, some headers I bought off Craigslist. I'm not sure. We think they're Mac, but we're not positive. A double pass radiator. And I'm getting ready to do a different fan because this fan is not working for me. It has a full UPR suspension, front coilovers, tubular K-member, caster camber plates. In the rear, I have Southside machine lift bars. You old school guys will know about those. They've been on there for years. And some cut stock coils in the back. That's pretty much it. This is my car. She runs good and I like it. It's taken me a long time to get it where it's at. I haven't worked on it continuously for the whole time I've had it, but I'll work on it, drive for a little while, blow it up, break something, and end up fixing it. But here it is, MadMAXine in all of her glory. You guys hit me up and we can do a video of your car. If you like this one, hit the thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, share with your friends. Until next time, I'm out of here.